Hello and welcome to our
Video.
food making video. Today we're gonna make some raznjici, and that's that's basically chicken on sticks with some potatoes and a special sauce. And
I will show you how we are going to cut up the chicken.
Oh,
So, first, you're going to grab the chicken like this. Then you're going to cut it like some stripes. And then you're going to cut it like this. So it gets like cubes and smaller bites. And then we're going to put it on the stick and then on the grill. So now we're going to do that, and then we'll show you the rest.
okay, so
Now we're going to put this marinade on the chicken. So if you follow me, you do like this. Then you make sure that everything gets out of the bag. So you do a little bit like this, and then you're going to blend everything so all the chicken gets a little bit of the sauce everywhere, like this. And then after we have done that, it's going to rest a little bit, and then we're going to put it on the grill.
So meanwhile, while the chicken rests, I'm gonna peel some potatoes here, so we can have that after the grill is done, so it can be really nice, you know, because you need to have some potatoes, you know. Oh, it was very long time I did this, you know. Okay, då vet jag. So then later on, when I peel this, either we're gonna make the sauce or we're gonna grill the chicken, and that will take some time, you know. Yes. Oh, so now I'm going to make the sauce while it maybe cuts the potato. So we're gonna use queso and some cream fresh and vad heter det? Jävlar.
No?
What's bro? Salads lök. Yes. Sorry.
Onion.
That's not onion. Okay, so we're gonna open this first and hopefully not spill anything, because that will be very bad. Alright. Give me this.
Excuse me.
Okay. So we're gonna take 1 full spoon of cream fresh. Put that.
Show them.
Put that there. Then we're gonna take, or it will be 2 full spoons. Okay, so you know. Can I please? Okay. Should I use another one?
Yeah.
For this? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'm gonna take 1 full spoon, just one, because I know, of queso, and take that there. Then I'm gonna just put that here. Take this salladslök and
Spring onion, I think it is.
it's not onion, or I don't.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Then I'm gonna put that there. Then, what is the 3rd spoon here?
So you can blend this.
Alright, okay. Oops, I forgot. It's a misunderstanding. I need more of this. Okay.
How's it going?
It's going very good, I think. So, and some little bit more of this queso then. Okay. Now we can blend this in. It's going to be very delicious, you know. See this? Or maybe you don't. You see this? It's very delicious after it, because I know it, and I always tell my mom to do it.
This is going well.
Yes, I'm just done here. Now I'm just gonna put this in the sink. Hello? Oh.
Yeah.
Gonna put this in the refrigerator. Oh, we can have it. What's this?
The right one.
This one. Oh, okay. Tack för platsen. Hold this. Thank you. And then I'm gonna take this. Maybe we need more. Oh. Yo, bro.
Do a bit more.
You have a big bowl. We don't use a big bowl.
Excuse me.
Okay. Sorry for the misunderstanding once again, because the person behind me is really not that a genius, you know. Now I need another spoon. Just
here.
Oh, there. I'm back again. Now we're gonna just do this once again, cause I'm so. Okay, now I'm very sure that we have plenty of the sauce, and now I'm going to put it in the fridge. Okay, what's happening? So now I will just clean this, make it very good, you know, and yes. So now we're gonna put this potato. Okay, let's focus here, please. Oh, so now we're gonna put this potato here.
Yeah, but we're going to put some things
oven.
on it first. We're going to take, where do we have it? Here. Salt and some oil.
Okay.
So, first I take it in my hand, so I can crush it in my hand. I think we need a little bit more. Like this. And I'm just going to put some water on my hand.
And now we're just gonna put the oil over that.
And then blend it.
Yes.
Not much, just like that. So, now we're just gonna blend it, and then we are going to wait for the oven to get heated up, and then we will put it in like 30 minutes or 40.
Yes.
We will show you how it's going to look when you're going to take it out.
Yes.
Now I'm going to cut up some paprika, and first we need to wash it in cold water. Then we're going to take away this green thing. And then we need to wash it again in here so it's not dirty in here. Like this. And now I have no idea how we're going to do it, but we're going to do like cubes here too, but
yeah,
I'm not sure how to do it.
Small cubes.
So first I do like that, and then like this, and then just like this, I think.
No, small.
No, I don't think so.
Small.
So it is the same size as the chicken. I think that could be good.
Okay.
So we do like this, and then I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I did now with the rest of the paprika. So we can show you the results after we have done it.
You can put any paprika that you want, but
yeah,
now right now we just have the
red one.
red one, yes. And or you can put something else if you want, but
Yeah,
I
we
think
are
the
going
paprika is the most common thing to use.
and we are going to have this onto red onion.
Okay.
And we're
Yes.
not going to put it on everything, but on a few ones.
Yes.
And we will show you that too.
Yeah. So now we're gonna put the paprika and the chicken on the sticks now. So
We don't have so much paprika, so I think we do 1 paprika and 2 chicken bites, or 3. We will see. So you do like this, and we take 1 more. This was a little bit longer, so we just do like that.
yeah, they do the double.
So like this, and then we take 1 paprika and do like this, and then we do the same thing again.
But we don't need to have paprika on every single one.
No, and we skipped the red onion because we don't like it. It was my parents that wanted to have it, and we said no because we don't like it, so we skipped it.
And because nobody likes that.
Yeah, and now we're just going to put on the grill, and then we're going to show you when we put this on the grill and how we're going to do outside.
Yes. Here he's going to. Okay, I don't see anything. Here he's going to
Take off the blanket.
of the grill. Oh. God damn. Okay. Okay.
So we're going to open it here, and we need to clean it a little bit.
So that's the grill. So yes.
Put on
The gas.
gas.
Holy damn.
That. And then we go with it.
So cold outside.
Oh, wait. Why don't the fire want to start?
I think you broke it.
Like that, and then we're going to close the lid and wait to around 200 degrees. And I'm going to put on the chicken and paprika.
Yes. Oh.
Yeah, and now we're going to put on the chicken and paprika.
Oh, you hear that? It's shit. It's coming at me. What?
What?
The what's it called?
The heat.
The heat, yes, thank you. The heat is flying in my face.
And it's a bit cold outside, so it's very nice to get it.
I think we need to have like 1 to 2 minutes at least.
Yeah, something like that.
That's the last one. Look at those. And the potatoes are still in the oven, yes.
And I'm going to look how fast the thermometer goes down. We just have it open for like 30 seconds, and now it's under 100 degrees.
Yeah. So now we're gonna just make it good on the plates here. We got chicken ready, we got potato ready, and we got the sauce ready. So
We forgot the salad, but I hope it's okay.
yes, it will be okay without it.
And
But
then we take this one and we put it. The sticks are a
Very
bit
hot.
burned, but
They're always that, but it doesn't matter.
yeah,
And
like that. And
we
then
have that. Look at this.
the sauce here.
Yes, on the side. Like that,
Do I put more?
if you want to.
Yeah, we do like that.
Like that. Look how good that looks like.
Yeah, and that's what.
That was everything for today. And
Thank you for watching.
yes.
And goodbye, everybody.
Bye bye.